Assalaamu Alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuhu. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a zine in two ways and also a little flip through of my zine. So if you guys don't know what a zine is, it's basically just a mini version of a magazine. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I made this and how you can make it too, then let's get started, inshallah. So now I'm going to be showing you guys the little flip through of the zine, and it's titled Faith because most of the things in here are related to faith and strength and inspiration. So this is how the front page looks like. It just has a flower that I drew on a photocopy printout thing I had. So each of the pages in here, like the two set of pages, have a theme to them, so I'm going to be telling you guys about that as well. So let's start. So this is the first theme. This I like to call the blue marble because there's marble in here and then blue. So this is the first page. Just looks like this. And here it says, "Holding on to hope when everything is dark is the greatest test of faith," by Yasmin Mujahid. And such a beautiful quote, mashallah. And then I pasted this picture of a crystal lattice because the atoms are holding on to each other, so it's like holding on to hope. You get that? And then this is the next page, and it says here, "As strong as the war, as soft as peace." And even this quote I got somewhere from Instagram, and it has this marble paper and then this another printout thing. Now moving on to the next. So this theme is the minimalistic theme. So over here first, this quote is beautiful. "May your heart always be kind, even though the world out there could shatter you for being kind. It is kindness that makes you brave," by Najwa Zebian. I think I'm pronouncing her name right, I'm not sure. I'm sorry if it's wrong. And then over here, it says, "The best beauty is beautiful manners," and then just a rose. So this is the second theme. Now moving on to the last theme. This is the warm theme. So, and this is my favorite page out of all of them. So over here it says, you cried when he took away your drop of water, not knowing he'd saved for you the sea. Again by Yasmin Mogahid. And then I just drew these trees. And then on this next page it says, the greatest distance you can travel in the shortest amount of time is by asking someone their name, by Amal Kasir. And if you guys don't know who Amal Kasir is, she has this video on YouTube, on TED Talks called The Muslim on the Aeroplane, and you should watch that video if you want to know what this really means. Basically, it's just like, before assuming about someone something, you should ask them their name, and that's how you can know a lot about them and make your decision about them without assuming. And she called herself the unapologetic Muslim woman. She's very inspiring. You guys should watch her video. I'll leave it in the link in the description down below. So this is the last set of pages. And that's the end. And here I just wrote the date and all. So that's it, guys. That's my little zine. I hope you liked it. Thanks a lot for watching.